Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi. Kinong Hikai School ad hoc hapo ka Shatri jongka Federation of All School Teachers Association Fastom henai kasngi haka janmit jongka Laipo Terik Jeliu Arjar Arpuar wat hadin bakilayo ka jingptha naka sorkar ban kendriano naka nika jaka bad ba om syashu bandang syong hakmat ka kerdop sekretariat usamla me bonling do ubadai unong yalam jong ka neka seng ulayo ban aiktien ban yawer da kabaong bangin ya kendriano naka nika jaka ban let syong yakino ha additional sekretariat Henry Kinong Hikai kila pertajam da kebaong bangin nomi na kene kajaka.
Do not have any power to force the people and the teachers to go to the additional secretariat. I have tried my best and I am really sorry sa Lakaman Dumbuy, sa Konrad Sangma and to the district administration. I'm really sorry that I cannot convince the teachers to go to the additional secretariat. So with that, I will leave the power to the teachers who are sitting here to make decisions for themselves. Thank you so much.